presented in late 1999, the Honda Insight was the main creation to include the organization's then new integrated motor assist framework. It was likewise the primary half-and-half propelled in North America, landing in showrooms 7 months previously the Toyota Prius. Creation finished in 2006, after just 17,020 units worked, with plans to reveal a substitution in 2009. The second-gen display touched base on time, yet this time as a 5-entryway hatchback. The Insight was ceased for the second time in 2014, for the most part because of moderate deals. Come 2018 and Honda needs to restore the nameplate with a cutting-edge plan and drivetrain, and a pre-creation model is set to break cover at the Detroit Auto Show. The Honda Insight is foreseen to get mileage appraisals aggressive with the best crossbreeds in the fragment, with styling that will have all-inclusive interest all around and best-in-class traveler volume, said Henio Arcangeli Jr., senior bad habit inhabitant of American Honda. The updated Insight will join 4 other energized Hondas, incorporating the Clarity plug-in hybrid, electric, and fuel cell, and the Fit-Ev. Most specs are as yet being kept under wraps, yet Honda unveiled a couple of insights about the auto's outline and innovation. We should discover more about it in the audit beneath. What's more, make sure to stay tuned for a refresh from the 2018 Detroit Auto Show. Outside. Utilizes Honda's new styling language. New, sleek fastback design, muscular fenders, LED lights, production-ready body. The new Insight was composed around the organization's current styling dialect, so it looks really well known, particularly when contrasted with the new Clarity and the Accord. The rakish headlamps, the expansive grille that is smaller at the base, and the forceful guard vents are highlights we can discover on a few other Honda models. Then again, the grille has a one-of-a-kind plan with the flying wing and bed set at the best and running into the headlamps. The side view is more bland than the outlandish-looking Clarity, as in it doesn't have the sharp beltline going through the entryway handles. In any case, the Insight profits by altogether more solid bumpers, front-end raise, and a swoopy beltline that influences it to emerge. The back is a noteworthy takeoff from the past ages. While the two its ancestors had hatchback setups, Honda ran with a fastback vehicle plan for the new Insight. The rooftop ends up noticeably smooth as it drops toward the back belt, while the decklid is somewhat short. Be that as it may, dissimilar to most current fastbacks, there's no back end. The back belt itself looks present-day and new. The taillights are substantial and have sizable LED strips, yet progress toward becoming smaller on the storage compartment top. The little spoiler incorporated above includes a touch of character. The back guard is as basic as they get, however the dark embed with chrome trim in the lower zone gives the Insight a sportier vibe. Generally speaking, it's an energizing plan that incorporates the Insight into current Honda lineup. Inside. Clean dashboard design, 8-inch infotainment screen, digital instrument cluster, premium features, optional leather seats, optional Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, new driver assist features. High determination photographs of the Lodge aren't yet accessible, however Honda released a few renderings. Much like the outside, the inside looks natural and offers a few highlights with existing Honda models, however it has a couple of one-of-a-kind styling signs. The dashboard is especially fascinating, with the AC vents in the middle stack and on the traveler side associated by a thin dark and chrome strip. Not just it gives the Lodge a superior look, however it likewise gives it a more natural, two-level format. The 8-inch infotainment screen is positioned just beneath the inside AC vents, with more controls underneath. The arrangement is perfect and uncluttered and takes after current patterns. The directing wheel has a fairly level base and a couple of controls for the two hands. The computerized, 7-inch instrument group looks current as well and incorporates highlights particular to mixture models. Honda says that the new Insight will have numerous top-notch highlights. In any case, things punctured calfskin seating, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto will be discretionary. It likewise guarantees cell phone-like highlights and usefulness in addition to adjustable application tiles and home screen alternate routes for the new infotainment framework. The Wi-Fi empowered over-the-air framework updates should make refreshing the unit a breeze. Drivetrain. 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine, lithium-ion battery pack, new electric motor, combined mileage of 50 mpg, class-leading output. There aren't numerous drivetrain subtle elements to keep running by as of this written work, yet Honda claims that the Insight will convey class driving force. This isn't difficult to accomplish however, as the opposition isn't excessively intense. While the Toyota Prius has an aggregate framework yield of 121 pull, the Chevy Volt gives 149 stallions and the Hyundai Ioniq wrenches out 139 torque. With respect to efficiency, Honda foresees a joint mileage of 50 miles per gallon. This figure puts it beneath the Prius 56 miles per gallon and the Ioniq's 58 miles per gallon, however over the Volt's 46 miles per gallon. Inspiration is given by Honda's third Gen 2 engine half-and-half framework, which incorporates a 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle motor and lithium particle battery pack. Specs aren't yet accessible, however I'll be back with a refresh from the 2018 Detroit Auto Show. Costs. Valuing is as yet a riddle at this moment, and it's been two since a long time ago Honda had an inside display and showroom to endeavor a gauge. In any case, it's protected to accept that it won't be fundamentally more costly than the Toyota Prius and the Hyundai Ioniq. With the two valued from $23,475 and $22,200, separately, the Honda Insight should get under $25,000 before impetuses and alternatives.